Hello everyone, this is Mahir and welcome to my video. It is just for 10 minutes and hopefully in that 10 minutes you would start speaking Spanish definitely. Just watch till the end. So let's start. So in the first section we'll be focusing on the subject. The first one is I and the sound should be like Joe. Joe. But the spelling is Y-O, but the sound is Joe. Joe. The second word is he, and the sound is ill. Ill. She is Aja. Aja. They is Elios. Elios. It is Eso. Eso. This is esta. Esta. That is essay. Essay. So you can see everything on the table being provided. So let's make some sentences. Before starting, we need to remember one thing. When we are going to use to as a subject, we need to use verb plus es or as. And if we get ill or aja, after the verb we are going to use e or a. And the last one, if we get I or Joe, we are going to use verb plus o. So I'll show in the examples. So the first example, I drink. In here, I is Joe and drink is Bebo. So the answer is Joe Bebo. The second one is you drink. You is two and a drink is bebes, as I mentioned before. And when we get two, we need to use verb plus es or as. Bebo is the main verb and we're going to use es, bebes. So the answer would be two bebes. The third example is he drinks. He is ill and drinks is bebe. As again I mentioned, when we found ill or icha, we're gonna use e or a at the last. So the answer would be il bebe. And the fourth example is she drinks. So as we know, she is Aja and drinks is bebe for the same thing. And the last one, they drink. They is Elos and drink is beben. So the answer should be Elos beben. Let's go for more examples. I need water. So I is Joe, need is necesito, and water is agua. So the answer would be Yo necesito agua. The second lesson is you need water. So you is here is tú and need is necesitas, as we mentioned again. Tú equal to verb plus es or as. So necesito becomes necesitas. And again, water is agua. So the answer should be tú necesitas agua. And the last example, he needs water. He is ill, needs is necesita, and water is agua. So the answer is il necesita agua. So in this section, we're gonna know the differences of un and uno. Un and uno are the examples of a and the, which is article. Un is used for masculine and una is used for female. So we'll see on the examples. So in this section, we're gonna see the difference between O and A. O is for boy and A is for girl. If you see the example, niño is boy because the word niño has last word is O, and niña is girl because the last word of niña is A. Another example, abuelo, which is grandfather, and abuela, which is grandmother. Again, the same differences, O and A. Another example, esposo and esposa, which is husband and wife. And the last one is hijo and hija, which is son and daughter. This is quite new for everyone. In Spanish, there is no existence of the word Z, they, and z. Therefore, instead of using the sound of Z, they, and z, we would use H. Examples, Jose Mourinho. So you're gonna say Jose, not Jose. Intelligent, we're going to use inteligente. And the last one is elegant, which should be elegante. In this section, we are going to see how the symbol changes the pronunciation of a word. So the first one is Nino. We can see on the top of N there is a sign. So the first N will stop, and secondly, the N sound will be used as Y. So the N will be used twice. So let's see how we are going to pronunciate that word. Nino should be nin-nio. So niño, not nino. The second one is nina, but same structure we're going to use. Nin, niña. So the sound should be niña. Now let's make some sentences. I am a boy. So I is Joe, am is soy, and because of the boy, the article should be un, and boy is niño. The answer is yo soy un niño. And the second example is she is a girl. So she is ella, is s, and a girl in here, girl. That's why we're going to use una, and girl is niña. So the answer is ella es una niña. This section we're going to learn use of my. My is me. So the example is my name is Mahir. So my is me and name is nombre, is s, and the last word is Mahir. So the answer would be mi nombre es Mahir. The second example, my mother is beautiful. So my is me, mother is madre, is s, and beautiful is bonita. So the answer is mi madre es bonita. And the last example, my father is handsome. Same, mi padre es bonito. Thanks for watching till the end. Gracias. And if you guys like, just recommend me. I would try to make more videos. Thank you very much.